Alrighty, I'm going to work on exercise 1 on page 472 of the book Computer Organization and Architecture, 5th edition. And so this question asks us to calculate the overall speed up of a system that spends 65% of its time input-output with a disk upgrade that provides for 50% greater throughput. Alright, so what we need to do first is we got to figure everything out. So you need to know Amdahl's law for this, Amdahl's law, and so here's a breakdown of it right here. So this formula right here, whoops, sorry, wrong one. Let's see, this formula right here, S, which stands for speed up, equals 1 divided by 1 minus the fraction of work by the fastest component plus that same fraction divided by the speed up of a newer component. All right, so I already figured this out for us. So we're trying to figure out S, which is the speed up. We know that the that F, which is the fraction of work by the faster component, is 65%, which actually equals 0.65 when we're doing the formula. And then K is the speed up of the newer component, which is the same thing in this case. Actually, nope, sorry, made a mistake. Let me get this out. It's actually the 50%. Sorry about that. So it's actually 50% faster. So that's actually 1.5. And it actually explains it in the book, but if it's 50% faster, it's already at 100%, so that's 1. And it's going to be 50% faster, which is 0.5. Okay. All right, so look that up. That's not a very good explanation, but it's the best way I can explain it. All right, so now that we have this formula, let's try doing the math one more time. So S equals 1 minus 0.65 plus F, which is still 0.65, divided by K, which is 1.5. And I am going to use a calculator. Don't laugh. So it's easier. So let's do 1. So 1 minus 0.65. I don't have to prove anything. I know it's 0.35, but I'm going to use a calculator. And then I'm going to do the same thing with 0.65 divided by 1.5. Oops. And that is 0.43333. So I'm around to 0.43. So now we have S equals 1 divided by 0.35 plus 0.43. So one more time, just to play it smart, 0.35 plus 0.43 equals 0.78. So now one more time, using the calculator, 1 divided by 0.78 equals 1.28. All right, and then if you're doing the speed up, again, this is 128 or 1.28, so it's actually 28% speed up. That's how you do it. I hope that makes sense, and I hope I'm right. Thank you. Bye-bye.